Hey guys, I decided to take the computer outside today and enjoy some fresh air, sitting out by our pool and waiting for more warm days to come. I wanted to come on and finish up Junie B. Jones and her big fat mouth with you guys. This is our very last chapter. In our last chapter that we read, we noticed that Junie B was going to be the janitor, and she was so excited to share that with her classmates, but they didn't really show her courtesy. So today, let's find out what happens in Junie B. Jones and her big fat mouth. This last chapter is called Gus Bologna. Today, janitor came to room 9 for show and tell, and it was the funniest day I ever saw. That's because he brought his very big toolbox with him, and we played a game called Name the Tools. And guess what? I knew the saw, and the hammer, and the metric socket set with an adjustable ratchet. Then janitor showed us how to use his stuff. And Charlotte got to shine his giant flashlight, and my bestest friend Grace got to push his big broom, and Lucky Duck Lucille got to clean the chalkboard with a squishy sponge. Except for then a little bit of trouble happened, because I wanted to mop. Only that meanie-eyed Jim wouldn't let go of it, and so I had to pinch his arm. After that, the mop got removed from us. Removed is the school word for snatched right out of our hands. After that, janitor sat in a chair, and room 9 sat all around him. And then he told us all about himself and his job. And guess what? He's been a janitor for 14 years. And he was born in a different country than ours. And his name is Gus Bologna. Hey, I love that name. I love the name Gus Bologna, I hollered out, because bologna is my favorite kind of sandwich. Then I smiled very proud. And guess what else? I said to room 9. Me and janitor are bestest friends, and sometimes he calls me the nickname of Sis. The janitor winked at me, so I winked back, except for my eyes kept kind of shutting, and so I had to hold one of them open with my fingers. I really like that Gus Bologna, I whispered to my bestest friend Lucille. Only that silly girl named Lily heard what I said, and she started singing, Junie B's got a boyfriend, Junie B's got a boyfriend. And so that's how come I felt very embarrassed. Me and my big fat mouth, I said. Then Mrs. laughed, and janitor laughed, and everybody else laughed too. After that, janitor had to go back to work, and so Mrs. shook his hand. Then room 9 clapped for him, and janitor smiled, and his jingly keys jangled all the way out the door. And that is the end of our story. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you all have a very, very happy spring break, and you're not having to work on your e-learning. You're getting to have a lot of fun with your family. I hope to be with you all very, very soon. For those of you who are interested, over spring break, I will be posting videos of this one. It is Junie B. Jones, Dumb Bunny, and I thought that would be perfect for Easter. So if you want to watch some of those videos or me reading that story, you're welcome to see that. I'll post them still on Class Dojo. Hope you all have a great break. Love you.